Good morning, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Benjamin Patchen, and I'm excited today to show you this beautiful new boat, the 2020 Scout 230 Dorado. As we walk around this boat, let's take a second to just soak in how gorgeous it is. This boat is beautiful. On top of being very beautiful, this boat's also very functional. Right here we've got a Mercury Dorado 300. This motor is a V8, very fuel efficient, and makes really good power. As you enter the boat, you'll see it's very well appointed. You've got U-shaped seating here. You've got cooler, another cooler, sink. Just great for sitting around the sandbar, hanging out. Move to the front of the boat, more luxury accommodations. Move the helm, you've got GPS chart plotter, Fusion stereo, Mercury vessel view, DTS for your throttle and shift control. Really nice. We've also got a head. And the front of this boat is equipped as well as the back. Great fabric, armrests, very comfortable, speakers, anchor locker. These are rod holder cup holders, which brings up another point. So this boat, very luxurious, nice at the sandbars, nice boat to take out to dinner. But if you want to go fishing, this boat can take on another attitude. Seal it up. Close it down. Now we got a fishing machine. We got a great recirculating live well with a plexiglass top. You got your rod holders. You've got rod storage in the starboard side there. Thank you very much. My name is Benjamin Patchen again. Appreciate your time. Come see us at MarineMax Stuart. This is the 2020 Scout 230 Dorado.